What's up guys, I'm from TechSource and welcome to another unboxing episode here on the channel. So there's this company called Xiaomi who reached out to me and sent over a few boxes for me to open up. And they said that there are some cool tech inside of them and there's extra tech for me to give away to you guys watching. So if you want to participate, make sure to stick around till the end of the video. All right, so they sent over 3 boxes for me to open up. There's actually one of these, and inside here there are several tech products, and then 2 of these big boys. This is actually the Mi electric scooter, so I guess we'll start off the episode by unboxing this. This is actually the first electric scooter I've unboxed on the channel, and believe it or not, I've actually never ridden an electric scooter, so this should be an interesting experience to say the least. Alright, so inside the box you guys will pretty much get an instruction manual, tell you how to ride the scooter, and the installation guide, which is actually very simple. Essentially they give you 4 screws, an Allen wrench, and all you have to do is install the screws on the handle over here and you're pretty much good to go. I love how simple the installation is. They're also kind enough to include an extended nozzle adapter. That way it's a lot easier to pump air into your tire. You also got your charging adapter, and last but not least, 2 extra tires in case the ones you have go flat or wear down over time. So that is actually very, very nice. So the cool thing about the Mi scooter is that you can actually fold it. So it's a lot easier to carry around and travel with. And whenever you're ready to ride it, you bring the neck back up, raise the lever, and then lock it in place. It's actually very simple. So once you're done riding the scooter, all you have to do is release the lock, fold it back down, and lock it in place. And this makes it a lot easier to carry around. But anyways, with that said, I want to take this for a test drive. I can't remember the last time I had this much fun riding something. I think the Segway, which was out like 2-3 years ago, was the most fun, but that was really dangerous. This isn't as dangerous and it's really fun to drive. Yeah, I think this will make an awesome gift for anyone, to be honest. Doesn't matter what age you are, from 10 to like 50. It's even got a bell. So the battery range on the Mi scooter lasts around 18.6 miles, and obviously it is affected by real life situations, such as if you're going over a slope, if there's a bunch of wind or ground resistance. It does have a built-in headlight which you can turn on and off using a switch, and there's even an LED indicator on the top of the scooter which will tell you how much battery life is left, which is pretty cool. The Mi scooter also comes with an energy saving mode which gives you longer range by cutting down the maximum speed, and you can switch to it by tapping on the power button while it's on. Moving on to the final box, and as always guys, if you want to check out anything in this video, especially the scooter, I'll have links below for you. So I think there are a few products in here. Let's see what they sent me. First up, we got the Mi Robot Builder. We also got the Mi Power Bank Pro. We got 2 of those. And last but not least, we got a few of the Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro. So before we jump into the Mi Robot Builder, which actually looks very interesting, let's take a look at their power banks for a second. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. So this is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, and it's able to fully charge an iPhone 7 up to 4 times. You get a USB port over here, USB Type-C, and a power button over here which will indicate how much juice is left on the power bank. It's a very clean, minimalistic design, very sleek, and it's got a matte finish on there, so very clean. They also included a 2-in-1 USB cable, so you got your USB-C, and then if you pop open the cover, you get a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, there is no iPhone cable. That's going to be sold separately. With that said, let's move on to the Mi Robot Builder. This is actually an interesting product. This is basically what it sounds like. You build your very own robot and you program it and get to control it via the mobile app. It's got over 900 pieces and it's fully customizable with smart controls and adaptive balance system. The cool thing about this is that you don't need to know anything about coding. It basically uses zero-code graphic programming and it's great for ages 10 and up. I think this will make a great gift for anyone out there who wants to get into a new hobby or learn something new and just challenge themselves is definitely something new and exciting. But anyways, as always, I'll drop a link below for the Mi Robot Builder. And with that said, we're moving on to the final product of this episode, which are the Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro. These actually have a very clean, minimalistic look to them. So inside the box, you guys will get a few different ear tip sizes and the earbuds themselves. So my first impressions, these are very light. It seems to be built very well. It actually has a plastic frame around it. It does have a braided cable. Let's see if it's actually comfortable to wear though. Put these on. Okay, fairly comfortable, no complaints. I don't have a lightning adapter to plug into my iPhone 10. So let me borrow your Android phone actually. Okay, so for a pair of earphones under $30, I'm gonna say these sound actually pretty good. They aren't bass heavy, so this is definitely not aimed towards the bass heads out there. But if you guys are looking for overall sound quality and clarity, I think these are a very solid buy, especially since they cost around 25 bucks. Another cool feature that actually adds to the overall value of these earphones is the built-in microphone with the controls. Believe it or not, you have access to the volume, play, pause, you can even go back and skip tracks as well. And that's very hard to find on a pair of quality earphones under $30. Some other features for the Mi In-Ear Headphones Pro include the metal sound chamber, which is crafted in a 20-step process, and the microphone also reduces noise interference. For the price, I'm very impressed. I think these will make an awesome gift for anyone looking for a great sounding pair of earphones, especially considering it comes with built-in controls, guys. This is very difficult to find on a pair of quality earphones less than 30 bucks. But with that said, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. As always, if you guys want to check out any of these products mentioned in this video, I'll have a link to the Amazon page below, as well as the main page for Xiaomi products. I'll drop a link to their Facebook and Instagram accounts in case you guys want to give them a follow. Also guys, underneath the Amazon links, you can find promo codes that you can use to get discounts on the purchases. All right, so now for the giveaway. Just to recap, we're giving away one of each. We got the Mi Power Bank Pro as well as the Mi Robot Builder, and of course the electric scooter. So one of each, and all you guys have to do to enter is drop a like on the video and let me know in the comment section which of these products you guys want to take home and why specifically. I'll announce the winners beginning of May on my Twitter account, so make sure you guys follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.